How to fix event ID 16, Bluetooth fails to connect. 1. Run Bluetooth troubleshooter. 2. Update Bluetooth driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Disable power saving settings. 4. Remove and repair the Bluetooth device. 5. Roll back Windows Update. 6. System restored to a point before the error occurred. 7. Check your Bluetooth adapter and replace it if possible.